You are very, very welcome here. Thank you for attending. I'd also like to say a special thank you once again to our truck and trailer clients that have registered again today to participate in this auction. En sowel as al ons gewaardeerde meerkat kliënte baie dankie dat julle weer vandag hier so is. Also a big thank you to Clayton and the family that have entrusted us with this auction. We really appreciate it and hope that everything works out. Right, before I start, what I can just say vir julle wat hier op die vloer sit en vir die mense wat aanlyn is, ons het so 160 kopers aanlyn tussen truck and trailer en meerkat vandag. So julle sal die wat op die vloer is, you'll see the bids appearing on the big screen over there en dan ook op die twee aanlyn platforms. Julle weet al hoe werk dit. Julle sal sien as daar 'n bord aan die vloer uit. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I start with the conditions. Can I just ask, is daar iemand wat spesifiek is hier vir die eiendom? Is daar iemand wat spesifiek is hier vir die eiendom? So you can stand closer to me. If we can just do it, I'm going to just tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to do the terms and conditions of the property first. Skulk, ladies and gentlemen, we've got one guy on the telephone. Declare his name for us. And then we've got Slate Clip that have commissioned us today. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the terms and conditions of property is as follows. You have to be registered, which you are. Our online client is registered and also our commission bid are registered. Right, the property is not subject to finance. However, pre-approval can be provided for the finance. You can contact Mortgage Max, but that's obviously too late for today. But ladies and gentlemen, we will allow you to do the necessary finance should you want finance. At the fall of the hammer, there will be a 10% deposit payable immediately after the fall of the hammer and 60 days to deliver the guarantee. The auctioneer's commission is 10% plus VAT, which is on top. Right, acceptance period is 14 days after the sale, but it's very important. The sellers can even confirm today. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to bring it that we are doing a deceased estate auction today. So please do not count on waiting for the 14 days to pass for the sale. Even confirm it today. Electrical certificates, ladies and gentlemen, and all outstanding water and electricity bills or whatever outstanding for the seller's account. Your bid price plus the 10% commission, that is what you pay. There's no other hidden cost. Okay. So the property is registered in a company and that VAT is a VAT. The sale of the property is subject to VAT. The buyer confirms by means of participating that they are buying the farm as is without land being rehabilitated and accepts the farm as is for end use. Right, ladies and gentlemen, sir, are there any questions from your side? Righto. Then just for I'm going to do some of the property details. It is portion 13 of the farm, Dorsal, number 77. It's Earth 77, portion 3, and the deed extent is 24.3 hectares, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. City is Kimberley. Here we are. Right, ladies and gentlemen, any offers, any bids, where can I start? I can start the bidding and I'm commissioned at 3 million rand on Slate Clip and it's a 3 million rand on bid. At 3 million now, 3 million now. Sorry. All municipal accounts are for the seller. Right. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm a bid at 3 million now, at 3 million, bid at 3 now, I'm asking 3.1. Up 3 million now, at 3 million rand, hit at 3 now, at 3 and 3. Come on, guys, julle weet dit is min. At 3 million now, at 3 million, I'm bid now, at 3 million, I'm bid at 3 now, I'm asking 3.1. At 3 million now, at 3 million, I'm bidding at 3. At 3.1, at call online there, at 3.1 million, I'm bid. At 3.1 million rand, at 3.1, I'm bid now, at 3.1, number asking 3.2. At 3.1, I'm out on commission now. I'm 3.1, I'm bid number asking 3.2 to 3.1 million rand, I'm bid. At 3.1 million rand, are we all done at 3.1 million? All done at 3.1 million rand. I see our floor buyers walked at 3.1 million. Call it's with you for the first time. At 3.1 million rand for the second time. At 3.1 million rand for the third and last time. It's going, gone, and assault to subject. Call's number, please call. We will confirm the auction. Thank you. Right, then, ladies and gentlemen, just reiterate, there are still 14 days time. If they do not accept this offer within the 14 days, you are 14 days time to make higher bids. Right, ladies and gentlemen, then we move on to the loose assets. I want to once again say, please, we are here. I have to get bids on everything. Ek moet aanbiedinge kry op alles. Our online guys, if you see what's standing over there as pre-bids, those were just estimated by us. That is not what it has to be. So I will start somewhere, and we want to sell. We want to sell. We can also tell you that we have confirmation today from the estate, the deceased estate, that we will try and do the confirmations within 48 auction. Right, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be registered to participate in this auction. And then there's a 10% VAT payable on top of your bid price today, which is 10%. So whatever you bid, there's 10% commission payable plus VAT. Righto. Then, ladies and gentlemen, the payment should be made within 24 hours and no item will be removed before payment has been made. Obviously, we'll just send you the invoice once confirmation has been done. If there are registration papers applicable today, there's a registration fee that will be paid. Is for to dealer stock it, and we'll give you 21 days after that to put. We guarantee no outstanding license fees, fines. After 21 days, I cannot help you. Then it is your responsibility. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so I said VAT is payable on all items today, and all the items and all the information that are being sold today was given to us by the seller, and broker auctions will and cannot take responsibility for incorrect information. So please make sure of the condition and the information before you bid. All items today will be sold footstoots. Righto. 7th of August, ladies and gentlemen, 2000. Remove the items. You can liaise with either Skalk, and Skalk will put you on to Brendan or our guys that will be over here. We'll be available to move your responsibility. We will, however, where we can, waar ons kan, sal ons julle help. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the terms and conditions of the auction. Is daar enige vrae? Any questions? Lyk so of jy 'n vraag wil vra, meneer. Ek leen nie geld nie. Right, then ladies and gentlemen, as I said, please look out vir julle wat hier op die vloer is. Baie dankie op hierdie kouerige dag. Onthou net, ons het lekker worsbroodjies sien ek daarso en lekker pastytjies en goed. Baie dankie. So maak gebruik asseblief om hulle so deur die loop van die dag. This will not be a long auction, so I want to ask the online platforms to please bid fast. Asseblief moenie vir my kwaad wees wanneer ek toemaak nie. Dan wil ek net sê vir die mense op die vloer, as ek toegemaak het, het ek toegemaak. Maar met aanlyn en julle weet hoe's tegnologie, as daar tussen 2 en 3 sekondes na toe aanlyn, dan gaan ek hom weer oopmaak. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Daar gaan ons. No questions. Here we go. Lot number 1. Right, lot number 1. Mobile double. Dames en heren, daar sien julle. It looks to be in pretty good condition. Righto. Any offers, any bids, waar kan ek begin? Who'll start me at 200,000 rand? 200,000 rand op die double foots. 200,000 to start. Manne, ek moet aanbiedinge inkry. Who'll start me at 100,000? 100,000 rands. 100,000 op 'n dubbelvoetpan. 100,000. Ek sal op 50,000 begin. I'll start on 50. I have to do something. I have to submit something. 50,000 rand. 50,000 rand op 'n dubbelvoetpan. 50,000 rand. 50,000. Kom aan, ek kan wragtig nie onder dit begin nie. 50,000 rand op die dubbelvoetpan. Ek wil nou nie die bestorwe boedel join nie, so ek gaan hom maar net liewerste laat aangaan. Right, let's move on to lot number 2. Lot number 2, dames en here. In your catalogs, there you got it. Righto. I stack a cyclone daar. And in the office, anybody's there to start me. We start met op 50,000. 40, 30, 20,000 to start. 20,000. I'll start you at 20,000 rand. 20,000. 20,000 rand on the cyclone. 20,000. 10,000. Come on, guys, that's scrap metal value already. 10,000 rand. Ek kan julle nie forceer nie, so dan gaan ek aanskuif na lot number 3. Lot number 3, 6-ton crane for part scrap. Daar's hy. And who'll start met, kom ons begin lekker laag. 5,000 rand op die kraan. 5,000. 5,000 to start. 5,000 rand. At 2,000 on the floor now, at 2,000 I'm bidding at 2,000 now, I'll take 2.5. At 2,000 on the crane now, at 2,000 I'm bidding at 2, at 2, at 2. At 2,000 now, I'm asking 2.5 now, at 2,000. At 2,000 rand at 2,000 op die kraan at 2,000. At 2,000 are we all done at 2,000 rand. Niemand meer as 2,000 rand nie. Hold on. Going. Gone. 2,000 rand. Ek gaan dit net STC maak, so gaan dit net al die goeders net na die tyd bevestig. By 703 on the floor. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, sê ek hierdie mooi ding. Hier's 'n Bateman 1 ton. Hoe's daai? Ken julle vir Bateman skalk? Bateman. Righto. Daar sê dames en here, daai DMS plan daar, so dames en here, jy kan sien hy's nog mooi. And I'll start to bring over there at 40,000 out of 40,000 rand op die DMS now at 40. At 40,000 out of 40,000, I'm bidding out of 40, now I'm asking 45. At 40,000 out of 40,000 op die DMS. At 40,000 out of 40,000 rand out of 40, out of 40, out of 40. At 40,000 out of 40,000, dan met meer. Is allemaal klaar teen. 40. 30. 20,000 to start on the DMS. Manne, julle moet my help. Ek moet iewers te begin. 20,000 op die DMS. Dan gaan ek hom op verbygaan. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, hier is ons weer. Hi, vibrating mill, lot number 5. Op die vibrating mill. En dan begin julle my daarso op 20,000 rand. 20,000 man, hier help ek julle nou. At 20,000 rand to start, but 20. 20,000 to start. 20,000 rand. Die diamante gaan weer regkom, man. Julle moet nie so bekommerd wees nie. 20,000 to start. 10,000. 10,000 to start. 10,000. Ek wil hê julle moet steel, maar manne, as julle nie julle hande opsteek, kan ek julle laat steel nie. Lot number 6, PTO alternator generator. And I'll start you over here at 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand to start. Dis kom ons kyk net of die ding aan die gang kry. 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand. Lot number 6 to start me at 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand. Maar ek gaan nie tande trek met die goed nie, ek gaan dan aanskuif. Ek kan sien julle is hier versekerde goed. Lot number 7, mobile koelkamer kompressor. Daar's hy. Hy begin my met 500 rand, 500 bucks. At 500 now, 500, I'm bidding out of 500, I'm bidding on the floor. At 500 rand in voor by my, 500 now, 500 now. At 750, I'm bidding out of 750 back on the floor. At 1,000 now, 1,250 sir. At 1,000 rand, het ek out of 1,000 now, 1,000 rand, 1,000. At 1,000 rand now, 1,000, I'm bidding out of 1,000. I'm not laat hier na 1,000 rand. Hold on. Going. Gone by number 703. Dames en here, gaan ons aan dan as 'n pump and motor, daar sy. Julle kan sien hy's nog mooi. And I'll start the bidding over there at 20,000 rand, 20,000 rand, 20,000. 10,000 rand, 10,000 manne. 10,000, 5,000 I'm bid on the floor. At 5,000 out of 5,000 rand, take a 5 out of 5 out of 5. At 5,000 out of 5,000, I'll take 6. At 5,000 out of 5,000 rand, out of 5,000 I'm bid. At 5,000 rand out of 5,000, are we all done out of 5,000 rand? Is dan niemand meer as 5,000 rand nie? Are we all done? At 5,000 rand. All done, going. Gone, sold STC by 703. Ladies and gentlemen, ja, Lister engine op Dolly. Op by Dolly daar so. Daai Lister engine daar. En dan begin julle daar my met 5,000 rand. 4,003, 3,000 rand, 3,000 to start. 2,000 rand, 2,000 rand op die Lister. 1,000 rand, 1,000 now, 1,000 I'm bid in the front here. At 1,000 as teen jou daar agter se. At 1,000 rand hier voor nou maak er 1,5. At 1,000 rand er 1,5 agter. At 1,005. At 1,5 now, 1,5 Kevin, come here please. At 1,5 at the back near 1,5 now my two sir. At 1,005 in the back now 1,5 or 1,5. At 1,500 rand er 1,5 now skala. Help my net gou asseblief. At 1,5, all done at 1,500, going, gone, sold by STC, where I can also STC, 710. Right, we move on to lot number 10, die auger feeder daar, manne. Right, en dan begin jy my daar, manne, gaan baie laag begin. I'll start you at 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand. 5,000. Maar dan gaan nie onder 5 begin nie, 5,000 rand, julle weet ek gee hom nou weg. 5,000 rand, 5,000. Righto, kom ons los hom dan, ons kyk ons af. Righto, hy 10 voet van 10 voetpan met sy conveyor. Met sy conveyor. Manne, dan begin julle my, ek gaan vir julle minimum prys hier om mee te begin, 20,000 rand, vir die 10 voetpan met sy conveyor. 20,000 to start. 20,000. 20,000. Righto, kom ons los om lot number 12. Lot number 12. Hy tywer van mol, daar sy dames en heren, dan begin julle my daar so 80,000 rand, 20,000 to start. Ek gee vir julle minimum pryse wat ek by sal begin. 20,000 to start. Maak my 10,000, ek sal try. 10,000 rand. 10,000. Ek het 10,000 daar agter 10,000 aan bid, ek keer en dan werk in die 10,000 rand. Het 10,000 rand naar 10,000 rand by 10. Are we all done naar 10,000 rand? Niemand meer as 10,000 rand nie. All done. Going. Consult STC, so net weer nummer 710. Righto. High 5 feeding bin, is 'n trekskala daai. Lot 13. Feeding bins, ja. 5 van hulle. Ek verkoop die lot saam. En dan maak julle my daar 5,000 rand op al 5. 5,000 rand for all 5. At 5,000 I'm bid now 5,000 rand attack. At 5,000 I'll take 6. At 5,000 rand 5,000 I'm bid now 5 or 5 or 5. At 5,000 or 6,000 in the back. At 6,000 rand 6 or 7 in the front maar 8,000. At 8,000 agter sy 8,000 rand attack. At 8,000 or 8,000 rand 8,000 I'm bid now almal klaar. Teen 8,000 rand is jou botse. All done, going, gone, 8,000 rand. Kyk net vir my daar die nommer kering. 706 at 8,000 rand. Right, then ladies and gentlemen, yeah, we move on. Yeah, okay, hier's baie nice. This is a very nice machine. Lot number 15. Lot number 15, mini jaw crusher on trailer. Daar sien jy lys. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and where can I start the bidding over here? 20,000, but now 20, now 20, now 20, and asking 25. At 20,000 rand, 20,000, but now 20, 20. Het ek 'n lot geskiet? Ek kan nie glo net dat julle so lank gevat het nie. Het ek vir lot 13 geskiet? Oor die foto's is omgeruil. So is nie ek wat so dom is nie. Alright manne, ek gaan dan lot nommer 14 doen, is die kraan. Sorry, ek gaan net gou terug na die kraan toe. Right is net die foto's is omgeruil. Elke ouetjie maak 'n foutjie sê hulle. Dit is hoe dit is. Ek sal teruggaan na die loading bins toe, manne, dan is ek by lot nommer 13. Ek is 8000 agter op die loading bins. Dit is fair. 8000 aanbid, dis lot nommer 13. Dit is jou bord se 9. Het 9000 on the loading bin. Ek vra om verskoning vir daai ene sê, dit was nou ons foutjie daar met die foto's. Ek het 9000 hier teen jou. Het 9000, dit is nou lot nommer 13, die 5 feeding bins. At 9,000 euro, 9,000 rand het ek by 9. As van maar klaar teen 9,000 rand. No more. Hold on. Going, gone. Just change the number there by 704. Nou gaan ek na lot nummer 14 toe. Dit is die kraan, dit is die foto wat op 13 is. Right, manne, dan maak julle met daar 5,000 rand op die kraan, 5,000 rand, 5,000 op die kraan, 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 5. Het 5,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 5,000, is dit 1,000 se? Ek mag ook 'n kans vat se. On a day like this, I have to take chances. At 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro, 1/2 and bid that side. At 1/2, 2,000. At 2,5. At 2,5, make 3 sir. At 2,500 and bid now 2,500 rand to be crown by 2,5. At we all done at 2,500. All done. Going by 709. Right now, we are on the mini jaw crash on the trailer. At lot number 15, dames en heren. 20,000 rand, 20, dit is baie laag en julle weet dit. 20,000 rand, 20,000 rand op die jaw crusher, 20,000. 20,000 rand, 20,000 rand, 20. No one in at 20. 25. Waar is julle nou? Maar wat is fout met julle girls? Julle skree nie op my nie. Skree my. Maak 'n bietjie die plek opgewonde. Hop, meerkat het ek 25,000 out of 25,000, I'm bidding out of asking 30. At 25,000 out of 25, 30,000 meerkat. At 30,000 meerkat, nou dat 30,000 35. At 30,000 out of 30,000 rand op meerkat nou 30,000. At 30 nou 35 meerkat. At 35 nou 35,000 rand nou 35,000. At 35,000 nou we all done at 14 now. At 14 meerkat nou 40,000 rand nou 14 nou 40,000. At 40,000 nou 40 nou asking 45. At 40,000 nou 40,000 rand is die geldie. At 40,000 nou 40,000 rand nou 40,000. Are we all done at 45 meerkat? At meerkat nou 45,000 nou 45. At 50,000 rand meerkat now. At 50,000 rand out of 15, I'm asking 55. At 50,000 out of 50,000 rand out of 50,000, I'm bid. At 50,000 rand out of 50,000 out of 50,000 now. At 55 meerkat. At 55 now out of 55 now out of 55 out of 55 out of 55, 60. At 60,000 out of 60,000 rand out of 60,000 at all. At 60,000 out of 60,000 rand meerkat now, I'm klaar. Teen 60,000. All done. 5. At 65 meerkat. Kan ek maar werk op hierdie? Nee, ek sê maar kan ek maar werk op hierdie? Dan kan ek okay. 65 meerkat. At 65,000 meerkat nou 65,000 almal klaar teen 65,000 rand. No more than 65,000 going, gone. I can mark that as sold. Julle kan hom mark as sold at 65,000 rand. Uit, maar dan gaan ons aan, dis nog 'n lekker ene. Daai Rotary drum dames en here, daar sien hulle is nog mooi en ek kan start te bidding their way. Ek sal julle weer lekker laag begin na 20,000 rand, 20,000 rand on him. 20,000, 20,000. 20,000 rand on the Rotary drum. 10,000 rand, 10,000 to start. Haite manne, as dan niemand daar is nie, dan gaan ek aanskuif. Haite, dames en here, dan gaan ek aan lot number 17, lot number 17, hè? For 10,000. Lot number 16 at 10,000 rand op meer katter at 10,000, I'll take 12 and a half. At 10,000 out of 10,000 rand, take about a 10, about a 10, about a 10, about a 10. A sammelklaar in 10,000. No more. Going? Yep. 12 half. Het 15. Manne, julle weet wat is die ding werd. Het 12 half, asking 15. Niemand meer as 12,500. Going? Yep. 15,000 on bid. At 15,000 rand to 15,000 on bid, now 15 number asking 17 half. No more than 15,000 rand for the first time. Second time. Third and last time, going. Gone 15,000. Merk ek om STC. STC at 15,000 rand meerkaart. Hi, then, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to lot number 17. Lot number that conveyor feeder there on the stand. Daar sê, dames en here, dit is mooi. And I can start to bring over there 15,000 rand, 15,000 rand, take 15, I'll take 17 half. At 15,000 now, 15,000 rand, take 15. At 15 now, 15,000 rand, 15, I'm asking 17 half. At 15,000 now, I'm klaar teen 15,000 rand. At 15,000 aan niemand meer as 15,000 rand ter 17 half meer kaart. At 17 half, 17 half. At 17 half now to 17,5. At 17,500 to 17,5. At 17,500 now we're asking 20. At 17,500 now to 17,500. At 17,500 now I'm klaar. Dit 17,500 rand. Niemand meer. Bog another day. All done. Going. Gone. Dankie Edwan. Ek kan nie daai nommer lees hierso nie. 5021. Hi, dames en here, nou gaan na lot number 18. Lot number 18. Daai cone settling tank daarso, dames en here. Right, ek sê vir julle weer, ek kom uit die boedel uit. I need to get offers. And I can start the bidding at 30,000. 30,000. 20,000. 20,000 rand. I'll start the bidding at 10,000 rand. Ek sal begin teen 10,000 rand. 10,000 rand to start. Ek gaan die 5 insit, sir. As niemand wat teen jou bin nie, dit is by number 4703. Merk hom net STC. Lot number 19. Daai Rolsif daar. Hy is ook uit die boedel uit, lot number 19 vir die Rolsif daar, dames en here. En dan wat maak julle met daar op die Rolsif? Can I start the bidding here, please, at 30,000, 20,000 rand. 20,000 rand op die Rolsif. 20,000 op die Rolsif. 15,000 op die Rolsif. Mark 10, sir. Thank you. At 10,000, I'm bid now at 10,000 rand, take at 10, I'll take 12 half for 12 half, I'm bid there. At 12,500 rand, 12,500. At 12,500, dis teen jou. At 12,500 now, 12,500 rand, 12 half now, op die Rolsif. At 12,500 now, 12,500, 12,500, 12,500. At 12,500 now, allemaal klaar. Teen 12,500 rand. All done, going, gone, sir. Just marking your STC, your nummer daar, by 702. Uitou, manne, dan is dit hierdie pragtige karavaan daarso. Tye gaan nog hard word. Righto, dan begin jy met daar, 5,000 rand op die karavaan. 5,000 to start on the caravan. At 3,000, I'm bidding out of 3,000, I'm bidding out of 3, I'll take 3 half. At 3,000 out of 3,000, I'll take 3 half meer card. At 3 half for 4,000 back on the floor. At 4,000 out of 4,000 at 4 half meer card. At 4 half now at 4 half meer card. At 4,500 rand meer card at 4 half now. Is someone klaar teen 4,500 rand there? No more at 4,500. Hold done. Going. Gone. Sold STC, meerkat at 4,005. 5011. Right, dames en here, hier is 'n lekker een hok lot number 21. It's a 10-meter pipe conveyor. 10-meter pipe conveyor en dan begin julle my daarso ook weer met 'n 20,000. 20,000 to start on the pipe conveyor. Ek sal begin op 15,000. I'll start on 15,000. 10,000 to start. 10,000. Manne wil nie pipe conveyors hê nie. 10,000 rand meerkat. Het 10,000 rand ter 10,000 aan bid na 10 na 10 na 10,000 na 10,000 aan bid. Het 10,000 rand er almal klaar teen 10,000 rand. No more than 10,000 rand. Sold STC op meerkat at 10,000 rand. 5018. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 22. Hierso is mooi en hier moet julle nie verloor nie. Sy papiere is in order. 900 liter diesel tank trailer worth pumped. And I can start to bring over here 15,000 aan bid na 15,000 aan bid na 15,000 rand daar. At 15,000 na 15,000 rand op 'n 900 liter. At 15,000 is baie mooi. Papers are fine. At 15,000 na 15 na 17.5. Ek het op die vloer eerste gevat. At 17.5 now maar asking 20. At 17.5 na 17.5 now. At 17.5 meerkat maak 20. At 17.5 na 17,500. At 17,500 manne, julle weet is dit werd. At 17.5 op die vloer. Is het 20,000 meerkat. At 20,000 na 20,000 rand het ek op meerkat. At 20,000 na almal klaar teen 20,000 rand. No more than 20,000 rand. So as jy uit. Sorry, I got you 22.5. Sorry, op die vloer eerste gevat. At 22.5, maar asking 25. At 22,500 now 22.5, 25 back. At 25, make 27.5, sir. At 27.5 now, at 27.5 now, maak 30, sir. $27,500 on the floor op my linkerkant, julle regterkant. Almal klaar, meerkat, julle klaar. At 27.5, hold done, going, gone. So ek kan hom confirm hy sal by 706. Right, dames en here, ten minste as ons 'n bietjie aksie. Right, lot number 23. Ford Courier, daar sy Morlandone runner manual, sy papiere is reg. Sy papiere is reg. Hier loop hy manne, hy het hier rondgery. Hy is reg. Righto. And I can start the bidding where. Daar begin hulle my daar wat op 'n 50,000 rand vir 'n mooi Courier. 50. 40,000 sal ek vat. 40,000 rand. 40,000 rand. 40,000 rand, 40,000 rand, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Manne begin my op 30, ek gaan nie onder 30 begin nie. Die bakkie is reg, hy ry, sy papiere is reg. 30,000 rand on the Courier. 20 sal ek mee begin, laat ons kyk waar kom ons. At 20,000 outside 22.5 now to 20,000 rand on the Courier now to 20,000 on bird. At 20,000 now to 20,000 rand het op die Courier now to 20,000. At 20 now to 20 now maar asking 22.5. At 20,000 rand now to 20,000 rand. You guys hear this morning? At 22.5 meerkat. At 22.5 meerkat now to 22.5 maar asking 25. At 22,500 rand now. At 22.5 25. Brendan, jy moet leer, skree op my. Moenie vir daai ou wys nie, hy gaan dink jy wil hom klap. Ek by Brendan on the floor now at 25,000 I'm bidding out at 25 I'm asking 27.5. At 25,000 27.5 meerkat make 30 sir. At 27.5 meerkat. At 27.5 now at 27,005. Are we all done at 27,000? At 30,000 back on the floor. At 30,000 rand manne, julle weet is nog ver onder sy waarde. At 30,000 now at 30 maar asking 32.5. At 30,000 now at 30,000 rand op die Courier. At 30,000 now at 30,000 now at 30. At 30 now at 30 now last chance meerkat. At 30,000 are we all done at 30,000 rand? No more. Wag net. 30,000. How much? So 35, then you can have it and I don't have to wait. And you know it's worth more than that. You are on 30. Make 32 and a half and I'll fight with you. Okay, so I'm just going to mark it STC then. Just give me your number. 708. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 24, Mahindra Scorpio. Here we go. Engine has been removed. Engine's on the back of the vehicle, so it's a non-runner. The engine is daar. Hy het 'n engine, maar hy's op agter op die bak. En Meerkat sê vir my wat? I've got 20,000 rand with Raymond and I got 20. At 20 now, I'll take 22, half now to 20,000, I'm bid now to 20,000 now to 20. At 20,000 now to 20,000 now to 20, and I'm asking 22 half. In the back on the floor at 22 half. At 22 half, hulle sê? Ek het 20. Papier is reg, sir. Papier is reg. Papers are fine. 22,005 on the floor now to 22,500 now, I'm asking 25. At 22,500 now to 22,500 rand almal klaar. At 25 Meerkat. At 25 maak 27 half, sir. At 25,000 rand op Meerkat now to 25,000 I'm bid now to 25 now to 25 I'm bid. At 25,000 rand to 25 maak 26, sir. At 26 back on the floor now, Meerkat teen julle I'll take 27. At 26,000 now to 26,000 I'm bid. At 26,000 rand to 26,000 now. Are we all done at 26,000 rand? Is dan niemand meer as 26,000 rand nie? All done. Going, gone. Hy's Johannesburg by a 710 sold. Hi, dames en heren, gaan ons daar, lot number 25, daar's 3 flow bins met 1 pomp. Ek verkoop die lot saam. 3 flow bins with 1 pump, met 1 pomp. En dan maak jy met daar 5,000 and 5,000 rand vir al 3 flow bins met die pomp. All 3 with a pump. I'll start at 3,000 rand, 3,000 rand. 3,000 rand op al 3 flow bins met die pomp, 3,000 rand. 3,000 rand. 1,000 rand I'm bid on the floor now, 1,000 I'll take 1 half, at 1 half back on the floor at the back. At 1.5, look at me, say I want 2 from you. At 1.5 behind you. At 1,005 now to 1,5 I'm bid now to 1,5. At 1,5 now to 1,5. It's for all 3, not per piece, all 3 with a pump. At 1,005 now to 1,005 now to 1,5 now to 1,5 now to 1,5 I'm not klaar. At 1,500 rand, all done. Going. 2,000 rand hit tag. Het ek 1,5 of 2,000? Check net. At 2,000 Meerkat now 2,000 number 2,000 number asking 2 half. At 2,000 out of 2,000 rand het ek by 2. At 2,000 rand we all done. Rand. No more than 2,000 rand op Meerkat. All done. Going. Gone. STC, please for me. Dankie Meerkat. 020. Right man, hier is ons 'n lekker enetjie weer. Nice compressed air tank. Daar's hy 8,000 rand. I want to start. 8,000 to start. I'll start on 4,000. 4,000 rand vir die tank. 4,000. 2,000 rand. At 2,000 back on the floor there, 2,000 I'm bid number 2, but asking 2 half. At 2,000 rand now, 2,000 I'm bid now, 2,000 rand het ek by 2 now, but 2 but asking 2 half. At 2,000 now, 2,000 rand het 2,000 I'm bid now, 2,000 rand. Is dan niemand meer as 2,000 rand nie? Hold on. Going. Gone. STC by 710 on the floor. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Toyota 25 forklift, 2.5 ton electric, the battery operated. It's a runner, guys. Hy staan nie so nie. Right, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, and I can start the bidding over here at 25,000 rand. At 40. At 40. It's well up, eh? At 40,000 rand now, but another 40. 5. At 45 now, I'm asking 50. At 45,000 rand on the forklift. At 45,000 out of 45 now, I'm bidding out of 45. At 45,000 out of 45 now, Meerkat was julle nou. At 45,000, I'm asking 50,000. At 45,000 out of 45 now, out of 45. Is someone clocking 45,000? At 45,000 now 45. I'll take 47 half. XLL. At 45,000 out of 45. Are we all done at 45,000 rand? Yep. 47 half. At 47 half, make 50, sir. At 47,005, Meerkat. At 47.5. Yep. At 50, back on the floor. At 50, I'm asking 52 half. Meerkat, was julle? At 50,000, I'm bid. Are we all done at a 50,000 rand for the first time? Second time, 52 half, Meerkat. At 52,005 now to 52.5 now, look at me, sir, make 55. At 52,500 of Meerkat. At 52 and a half, are you done, sir? Thank you for your help. At 52,500 Meerkat for the first time. Second time. At 52,500, third and last time. Of Meerkat, going, gone. Sold, Meerkat, confirmed. Buyer number 5020. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 28, lot number 28, lot number 28. Vibrating screen. There we go, guys. Op the vibrating screen there. Julle sien hom nog, hy's daar mooi. And I'm going to start you at 7,500. En dit is min. Ek gaan nie onder dit begin nie. I won't start under 7,005. Op die vibrating screen. 7,500 bid. At 7.5 now to 7,500 now to 7.5. Now I'm asking 10,000 now to 7.5. At 7,500 rand for a mooi screen. At 7,500 now to 7,500 rand to 7.5 now. At 7,500 now to 7.5. At 7,005. At 10,000 out of 10,000 rand het ek 10,000 ek wou sê. At 10,000 out of 10,000 out of 10,000 rand het ek. At 10,000 out of 10,000 I'll take 12 half. At 10,000 rand at 10,000 rand at 10,000. A summer cloud in 10,000 rand at 10,000 I'm bid. A summer cloud in 10,000. No more than 10,000. I'll take 11. Ek sal 11,000 vat. Meerkat ek gee hulle kans. Op 'n mooi screen. Manne, hy's mooi. At 10,000 rand, almal klaar teen 10,000 rand. No more. First time, second time, third and last time. Merk hom net vir my STC skala. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here we move on now. We move on to lot number 29. Hi Donald, full dust catcher system, daar sê, en nou begin julle my daar. Start me at 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand. 100 dust catcher. 7,000 rand. Thank you. Good morning, truck and trailer. Darren Mitchell, thank you. 7,000 I'm bid now to 7,000 I'm bid now, en ek kyk vir my skala. At 10,000 now to 10,000 rand en 10,000 now to 7,000. At 7,000 rand het ek 7,000. As someone klaar teen 7,000 rand. No more. Then 7,000 rand. All done. Going. Gone. Sold, truck and trailer by 5085. Right, lot number 30. Lot number 30. Lot number 30. automatic grease belt plant with control system. Ladies and gentlemen, I will start the bidding here, but not 1 cent under 200,000 rand. 200,000 rand to start. Ek kan nie onder 200,000 rand begin nie, 200,000 rand. Hoppy grease belt plant control system, 200,000 rand. Nou takers at 200,000 rand. Dan gaan ek aanskuif. Lot number 31. Righto. Dames en here, kyk hom mooi. Here's a bargain to be bought. Here's a bargain to be bought. Cat 914G loader. Needs a bit of TLC, bit of runners, ladies and gentlemen. It's been running here in the yard. Righto, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll start the bidding over here very low. Ek gaan nie onder 80,000 rand begin. Nou kyk ons waar toe gaan ons. 80,000 to start. 80,000 to start on a loader that is running. 80,000. Julle het ons gaan sien lopies op binne. 80,000 rand aan bid meerkaart. Het 80,000 naira, 80,000 naira, 80 now take 85. Het 80,000 naira, 80,000 aan bid naira, 80,000 rand take 80 naira, 80,000. Het 80 naira, 80,000 now. Het 85. Het 80,000 naira, 80,000 rand take 80,000 rand aan bid. Het 80,000 naira, 80. Het 80 naira, 80 naira, 80 manne was julle nou 85. 85,000, thank you sir, 85,000 rand aan bid. Het 85,000 naira, 85 naira, 85. Het 85,000 naira, 85,000 rand aan bid naira 85. Het 85 naira, manne, julle weet julle is nie eens naby sy waarde nie. Het 85,000 naira, 85 now, maar asking 90,000 meerkaart. Het 90,000 rand, 90,000 rand. Het 90,000 rand, 90,000 rand aan bid. Het 89,000 rand. Naira 90. Het 90. Kyk vir my. 95, thank you. At 95 naira 95. At 95,000 naira 95. At 95,000 naira maak 100,000 rand meerkat. Julle weet dit is sy waarde. At 95,000 naira 95 and bid naira 95,000 rand. At 95,000 rand for the bargain of the day. At 95,000 naira 95,000 and bid. At 100,000 now. At 100,000 naira 100,000 rand het ek 100,000. At 105, thank you. At 105 naira 105 make 110. At 105 naira 105. At 105 naira 105. At 105 naira 105 JP was jy nou. At 105 naira 105,000. Is sommer klaar teen 100. At 110 by JP. At 110 naira 110 naira 110 naira 110. At 110. At 110,000 now. At 115 now. Rand. At 115,000 rand at 150. At 115 naira 115. At 115,000 rand is 'n geld vir die masjien. At 115 naira 115. 15 naira maar klaar. Teen 120,000. At 120 naira 120 back on meerkaart. At 120 naira 120. Jy wys vir my sign languages. Wat is dit? 130 now, take 135. At 130,000 rand 130 or 130. At 130 now, 130 now, 130 now, JP mark 135. At 130 I'm bid. At 135 now. At 135. At 135. At 140, thank you, sir. Jy hou my besig maak is happy. At 145. At 145 now, 145 I'm bid. At 145 mark 150 or 150 or 150 or 150. At 150 or 150 or 150. No more. Is almal klaar? Yep. 155. 55 now 155. At 155, nou wat sê jy nou? Nou wil jy nie kykie. 155,000 rand by JP op meerkaart. At 155 now 155, we're all done. At 155,000 rand. Going. Gone. So, dankie JP, dis joune. Dit moet die bargain van die dag wees. at 155,000. 5034. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we move on now. Ons beweeg aan lekker. Lot number 32. Lot number 32, Hitachi EH200 excavator. It's a runner, dames en here, but it needs a lot of TLC. Righto, onthou ek sê vir julle weer, kom uit die boedel, maar hy start, hy loop, hy het hierso op en af gery. So, selling at footsteps, but I guarantee you it starts. It's a runner. Right, then, ladies and gentlemen, y'all can start the bidding at 45,000, out of 45,000, I'm bidding at 40, out of 50,000, out of 15, out of 55, out of 55, out of 55, out of 16, out of 60,000. It's 60,000, out of 16, out of 60,000. It's 16, out of 65, out of 65, out of 65. It's 16, out of 16, out of 60. It's 16, I'm up to 65. It comes the meer kat was julle nou, ek kan nie sien nie. It's 60,000 out of 60,000 on the floor. At 60,000 out of 60,000 now in bed. At 60,000 out of 60,000 are we all done? At 60,000 I'll take 65 out of 65. At all done out of 60,000 rand no month meer as 60,000 rand nie. All done. 65 neer daai. Wie het jy nou gekyk Brendan? Nee, dis daai oom se bot. Hy is slim. Hy gaan nie om die skelm afslaer gevang word nie. At 60,000 a bid now. Are we all done at 60,000 rand? Going. Gone. So ek gaan hom net merk. Ek word hom net bevestig by 703. Hi, dames en here, hierso, daar sy lot nommer 33, hy 14 voet Jospan. As hy, dames en here, jy het hom hierso gesien, hy lyk nog regtig baie mooi. And where can I start the bidding here? Ek sal beginne. Dames en here, ek gaan nie onder dit begin nie. I'll start at 100,000 rand en julle weet ek gee weg. I'll start at 100,000 rand. No takers at 100,000 rand. Then I'm going to move on. Lot number 35. Lot number 35. Ek check net of jy wakker is. Lot number 34. Ladies and gentlemen, I've had a lot of interest in this one, and the magnet is included. Lot number 34. You'll see it over there. It is in good condition. And here, ladies and gentlemen, I can start the bidding at a 60,000 rand. I'm bidding at a 60 now, I'm asking 65. At 60,000, I'm bidding at a 60 now, I'm asking 65. At 60,000 rand at a 60,000 now. At 60,000 out of 60,000 rand at a 60,000, I'm bid. Are we all included here at 60? No more than 60,000 rand, are we all done at a 60,000, 65. At 65, meerkat. At 60. At 65, kyk vir my. At 65, at 65, at 65. At 65,000 rand at 65, asking 70. At 65,000 rand at 65, at 65. At 65,000 out of 65, now we all done at 65,000 rand. No more than 65. 67 half. 67 half, thank you. At 67 half, I'll take 70. At 67,005 now to 67,5. Manne, julle weet wat is daai magneet alleen werd. 70,000 rand het ek. At 70,000 now to 70,000. At 70,000 I'm bidding now to 72 half, thank you. At 72 half, I'll take 75. 75. 77 half. At 77 half now to 77 half now to 77. At 80,000 meerkat. At 80,000 rand meerkat now to 80,000. At 82 half. 80,000 a bid now to 80,000. At 80,000, I'll take 82 half, 82 half, 82 half. No more than 80,000. All done. Going. Gone. Sold 80,000 meerkat. Julle kan hom merk as verkoop. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 35 is the 12-meter conveyor. Righto, separate from the previous one. There we go. You saw 5 the previous one. Okay, ek gaan net gou, ek het hierso dispuut meerkat, kyk net gou vir my terug. Skala kyk net gou vir my terug. Lot number 28. The bid is 7,500 op meerkat. kyk net daarso vir Clayton. Lot number 28. Daai vibrating screen. The Garden. Jy kan hom mark sold vir meerkat. Jy het hom nog daar jou koper. For 7,005. 5033. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, I'll move on to lot number 35. And lot number 35 also very low. Ek gaan nie onder 80,000 begin nie. 30,000 rand on the 12 meter conveyor. 30,000. 30,000 rand, ek gaan nie sent onder hom gaan nie. At 30,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 32 half naira, 32 half. At 35, at 35, at 37, at 37,005, at 37,5, at 40, at 40,000 now, at 40,000, at 40, I'm asking 42 half, at 40,000, at 40,000 rand en 40,000 aan bid, at 40,000 en wat julle nou? Julle begin so gou en dan hou julle op. At 40,000 now, I'm asking 42 half, at 40,000 rand en 40,000 rand en 40,000, is somewhat laat teen 40,000 rand. No more, at 40,000 rand. Niemand meer as 40,000 rand nie. Hold on. Going. I'll take 41. 40,000 on bid. Niemand meer as 40. Going. 41. At 41,000. At 41,000 out of 41. At 41. 2. At 42. At 42,000. At 42,000. At 42, meerkat maak 43. At 42,000 now, asking 43. At 42. Is almal 42,000. Laaste kans meerkat. At 42,000 rand. Going. Gone. Skala merk om net vir ons STC. Hi, dames en here, daar is lot number 36. Lot number. Hi, feeding bin daarso. En dan begin julle my daarso met 20,000 man. Ek gaan nie onder 20 begin nie. 10,000 aan bid. Het 10,000 rand het ek 10,000 naira, 10,000 I'll take 12 half. Het 10,000 rand het 10,000 naira, 10,000 rand het ek. Het 10,000 naira, 10 naira, 12 half. Het 12 half. Het 15, 17 half sir. Het 15,000 rand op meerkat. 17 half agter. Het 17,000. 17,500, 20,000 T, at 22 half, at 22, 25, at 27 half, at 27, 30, at 30,000, at 32 half after, at 32 half, at 35, at 37,50, at 40, at 45, at 45, at 45,000, at 45,000, at 45, at 47 half, maak 50 se, at 47 half meerkat, at 47,000. 47 half, is almal klaar teen 47,005. No more than 47,500. All done, going. Gone. At 47,500, marking net STC. Righto, man, kyk mooi. Hierdie Hatfields 20x10 crusher. Daar sal staan hy. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I can start the bidding at 60,000 rand. I'm bidding at 60 now. I'm asking 65. At 60,000 rand at 60,000 rand op die crusher. At 60,000 at 60,000 rand at 60,000. At 60,000 rand at 60,000. I'm klaar. No more than 60, 65. At 65 now at 65. At 65,000 at 65,000. I'm bid. Op meerkat at 65 at 70,000. At 70,000 at 70,000 at 70. 70,000 at 70 is 70. No more. Is almal klaar? Yep. At 75. At 75 now to 75,000. At 75 now I'm asking 80. At 80,000 at 80 now to 80. 80,000 at 80,000 at 80 now to 80. No more. Almal klaar. All done. Going. going, gone. Merk hom net vir my 75,000 of 5010. Merk. Uit, dames en heren, lot number 38, ook uit die boedel uit. Right, so daai twee vibrating screens daar so, en dan maak julle my R10,000 vir die twee. Ag, vir die twee. 10,000 rand for the two. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, I'm bidding on the floor. At 5,000 out of 5,000 rand, het ek er 5 aan bid. At 5,000, I'm bidding on 5,000 rand. At 5,000 rand, I'm klaar teen 5,000 rand. No more than 5,000. All done, going. Gone. STC by 702. Right, ladies and gentlemen, you have also had a lot of interest. Lot number 39. Righto. Daai parkhouse daar op sy trailer, hy het so 'n bietjie TLC nodig. Aircon units are not working. 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom and kitchenette, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, I can start the bidding at 40,000 rand a bid. Hy's ook nie op wiele nie. It's got a trailer, but the trailer axle needs wheels. Am I saying it right? And I am on truck and trailer 40, truck and trailer 45. At 45,000, I'm bidding out of 45, out of 50,000, I'm bidding out of 50,000. At 50,000, out of 55, out of 55, I'm bidding meer card. At 55, out of 55, out of 55, meer card. At 55, out of 55, out of 55. At 60,000 truck and trailer. At 60,000 out of 60,000 rand, ek het 60. At 60 now I'm asking 65. At 65 meer card. At 65 meer card now I'm asking 70. At 70,000 I'm bid on truck and 70 now I'm asking 75. At 70,000 out of 70,000 rand at 70. At 75 meer card. At 75 now 75. At 75 now I'm asking 80,000 out of 75. At 80,000 rand on truck and trailer. At 80,000. At 80,000 rand, 80,000 rand ek 80,000. At 85 meer card. At 85 meer card at 85,000 aan bid. At 85, 90,000 truck and trailer. At 90,000 now 90, I'm asking 95. At 90,000 now 90 aan bid neer aan 90. At 90,000 now we all done 90,000 rand. No more. 95 meer card. At 95 meer card. 100,000 truck and trailer, asking 105 now from Meerkat. At 100,000 rand now, 100,000 bid on truck and trailer. No more than 100,000 rand. Eerste maal. Tweede maal. Third and last time going. Gone. Sold, truck and trailer. Thank you, Andries Sonnenberg. At 100,000 rand, 93, and that's sold and confirmed. Here we go, lot number 40, hydrocarbon spill kit. There we go. En dan begin jy met op 2,000 rand vir hom, 2,000 rand. 2,000 rand. 2,000. Right, ladies and gentlemen, then we are going to move on to lot number 41. Here's a 10x4 panel double deck screen. Righto, op die screen daar. Dames en heren, dan begin jy my daar op 60,000 rand, 60,000 to start. I'm not going to start on under it, en dan moet ek regtig, dan moet ek wikkel. 60,000 to no takers there. I'll move on to lot number 42. Right, ladies and gentlemen, there are two Tonko 220 volt welders. They have not been tested. Maar dan sê julle, dan maak julle met daar 500 rand vir die twee. At 500 rand, I'm bid now Peter bid at 500 rand to the 500 now, I'll take 600 now. At 500 rand to the 500 rand on the two welders there at $500. As summer cloud in 500 rand now to 500, 600 on the 600 rand I'm bid. At 600 now to 600 I'm bid now to 600. At 600 now to 600 now to 600. As summer cloud in 600 rand. All done. Going. Gone. Sold $600. 703. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 43. There are 4 welders there, not tested, as in yellow. And I'm maak julle my raad, R1000 free lot. There are 4 of them. 1,000 rand for the lot. 1,000. Who'll start met 1,000? Wie begin my op 500 rand daar? At 500 rand, out of 500, 600, yeah, 600 now, 700, 800, 900, 1, 1, 1, 2. At 1,003. At 134. At 14. 15. All done at 1,500 rand. 6. At 17. 18. 19. 2. All done at 2,000. Going. Gone. Sold for 2,000 rand. 703. Right, ladies and gentlemen, die lot industrial. Dan maak julle my wat af R500 weer vir die lot te start. $500. Hope industrial e-filters. Right, kom ons move on to lot number 45 then. Werk hy listertjie. Manne, toe hy uit die winkel uitkom, wat hy regtig mooi geloop hoor. Hy was sharp. Maar is 'n lister. Jy weet mos hy vrek is om eintlik nie. En as hy vrek is daar ietsie om hom weer te laat wakker word. Hy op hy listertjie daar. Manne, gaan julle lekker laag begin. 2,000 rand on the lister. 2,000 rand op die lister. 2,000. 1,000 rand op die lister. At 1,000 number. At 1,000 rand to 1,000 number. 1,000 on the floor. At 1,000 rand op die lister na 1,000, I'll take 1,250. At 1,000 rand. Jo, manne, ek kan nie glo nie, julle kykie wat ek verkoop nie. At 1,000, I'll take 1,250 now on the lister now to 1,000 number. At 1,000 rand, dan almal klaar teen 1,000 rand. No more. Manne, ek gaan 2,000. Meneer, 2,000 dan kan ek hom vir jou gee. Sold, buy a number. 709. Jy het nou gesteel. Right, lot number 46. Aircon unit not working. Daar's hom manne. Dan maak jy by 500 rand vir hom. At $500 now op die aircon unit now to 500 dan bid now to 500. At 500 now to 500 rand I'll take 6. At 500 now to 500 rand to 500, 506. At 600. At 600. At 607. At 700. At 700 rand to 700 dan bid. At somewhat clock in 8. At 800. 900. 1,000. 11. 13. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 1, 2, 3, 3,200, almal klaar, going, gone by. Kieran, please arrange over there that I just bring a lot of cool drinks. Dames en here, ek gaan net reël dat ons vir julle 'n bietjie 'n koel drankie gee. Reël net as hulle gaan opkom net, julle is baie welkom, vat net vir julle 'n koel drank op Rou se rekening. Right, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 47, that peanut cuppa copper with 5 extra shifts and a feeding auger, daar's hy die hele ding saam. En dan maak julle my daarso R20,000, 20,000, 15,000, 15,000. Begin my op 10,000 mense. 10,000. Hy dames en here, gaan hom dan aanskuif. Lot number 48. Hy daarso. And I can start the bidding of at 5,000 now, at 5,000 I'm asking 6. At 5,000 rand to 5,000 I'm bidding at 5,000 rand daarso between stainless steel tanks. At 5,000 rand to 5,000 at 5,000 rand to 5,000. At 5,000 rand jy gaan hom opchop en baie meer geld kry. At 5,000 rand to 5,000 at 5 at 5 at 5. Is daar niemand nie? No more, niemand. At 6. At 6,000 rand to 6,000 I'm bid. At 6,000 rand to 6,000 I'm bid. Is almal klaar teen 6,000 rand. No more than 6,000 rand. So ek merk hom net STC, daai kopernommer van jou daar, 710. Righto, daai leader 25,250 pomp, daar se dames en here. En dan gaan ek julle sommer vra, begin my hierso asseblief op R3,000. Ek gaan nie onder 3 begin nie. 3,000 rand for the pump, that 3,000 a bid now 3. At 3 now 3,000, but asking 4,000 at 4,000. 4,000 at 4,444. At 4,000 at 4,000 at 4,000 rand. At 4,000 rand. Is dan niemand meer? At 5. At 5,000 rand, I took 5,000 and bid back on the floor. At 5,000 rand, at 5,000 and bid number asking 6. At 5,000 rand, at 5,000 out of 5. No more than 5,000 rand. Sold yours by number 702. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 50. SDLG 958 front end loader. It's in good working condition. Transmission has been rebuilt and is still under warranty. Dames en here, is 'n baie goeie masjien. And I need to start the bidding over here, please, and you know it's for nothing. I'll start at 250,000. Ek gaan nie onder dit begin nie. Julle weet wat is hy werd. Skala, ons het een nou verkoop 2 weke terug, 'n week en 'n half terug. And it went for 580,000. Maar net 250 to start. 250,000 to start. The transmission is under. Right, dames en here, if this, I can't force you to steal. Lot number 51. 130 kVA Perkins genset in good working condition. And I'll start the bidding here at 50,000 rand. 50,000 rand. OP genset. To start. Guys, I guarantee you it's in working condition. Yep. Weer cut now to 50,000 out of 50,000 on bid. I'm asking 55 now to 50,000 on bid. At 50,000 rand op die genset wat werk. At 50,000 out of 50,000 rand tegen 50,000 now on bid at 50. At 50 now to 55,000 tuck and trailer. At 55,000 now I'm asking 60. 55,000 out of 55. 55. At 55. At 55, at 55,000 out of 55,000 rand. Is sommer klaar teen 55,000 meer kat was julle nou. At 55,000 I'm asking 60,000. At 55,000 now we all done at 55,000 rand. No more than 55,000 rand. going, gone. Sold STC by 5056. Right, Dresser T300 ADE engine, dames en heren. These are nice popular graders. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Papers are fine, it's in good work. The grader is right, hy is reg. Over there at 110,000 rand. 110 to start, man, en dan gaan ek van daar af moet werk. Grader. Meerkat 110. At 110 naar 110,000 rand naar 110, amper naar 110. At 110 naar 110 naar 110 naar 110. 10,000 rand naar 110 naar gaan kyk maar 110 naar 110 naar 110. At 110 naar 110. At 120. At 120 skree laat ek. At 120 naar I'm asking 130 now 120. At 120,000 rand naar 120. At 120 now 120 by Scala now 120. At 120 I'll take 130 now. 20,000 rand. At 120 now 120,000. At 120 now we hold on naar 120 now. Almal klaar teen 120,000 rand. No more. Going. Gone. Scala moet STC. Righto, case 14 daar sê en hy werk dames en here right, ladies and gentlemen, I can start to bring over here at a 55,000 now we're asking 60,000 at 55,000 out of 55 at 55 out of 60 now to 60,000 number. At 65 now to 65, at 70, at 70,000 number now to 70,000, at 70, at 75, at 75,000 now to 75 ampere, at 75 now, at 75, at 75, at 75,000 now we're asking 80,000, at 75,000 and for a mooi skietspeer, at 75,000 out of 75,000 rand net tag, at 75,000 out we all done at 75, at 75,000 out of 75 now to 75, that's somewhat clock in 75,000 rand. Niemand meer. 75,000 rand, 80,000 aan bid. Het 80,000 meerkat. Het 80,000 rand naar 80,000 aan bid naar 80. Het 80,000 naar 80. Het 80,000 manne, julle gaan uitloos hierso. 80,000 number asking. Het 80,000 naar 80,000 aan bid naar 80,000 rand naar 80,000. Op meerkat. Het 80,000 rand. No more. I'll take 82.5, man. Kom ons maak dit interessant. 80,000 op meerkat. Iemand meer as 80 vir die eerste maal is dit weer in. Enkersback. JP at 82,005. Asking 85. At 82,005 now 82,5 or 82,5 number asking 85 now 82,5. At 82,500. 82,500 rand for the first time. For the second time, for the third and last time at 82,500 going, gone. Right, dankie Henk, ek werk om net STC by 5023 meerkat. 5023 meerkat skala 82,5. Hi, dames en next bargain to be bought. Right cat 950 daar. It's still in working condition. Hy staan op Jacobsdal. Ladies and gentlemen, I can start to bring over here at 80,000 now, I'm bidding out my 80. At 80, I'm asking 85. At 80,000 out of 80,000 rand. At 80, ek wil weg hier. At 80,000 now, 80 now, I'm asking 85. At 80,000, I'm bidding out 80,000 rand per 80,000. At 80,000, vir die hold aan 80,000 rand. Het kan nie wees nie. Het 80,000 rand. Niemand meer as 80 vir die eerste maal. Hy werk manne, hy is reg vir die plaas. Niemand meer as 80. All done, going. Vir my STC. Right, dames en here. Hierso gaan ek ook die tande trek nie. Ek gaan met julle eerlik en reguit wees. Hierso staan 'n Metso screen. Hy staan in Kimberley. It's in working condition. I guarantee this machine is reg om te werk. It's right to work. And I'll start the bring over here en ek gaan nie onder 900,000 begin nie. 900,000 to start on the Metso. Right, manne, kom ons kyk aan van hom af dan. Lot number 56. Here's a high-end machine. Volvo EC790 excavator 2019 model. It's got 4 hours on. It's in very, very good condition. Baie goeie condition. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll start the bidding over here at 1.2 million and not 1 cent under 1.2. I'll start at 1.2 million rand for a very good machine. No takers at 1.2. I'll move on to lot 57. Presies dieselfde, dames en here. Hy het net 12,000 and I'll start the bidding at 1.2. If I've got no takers there, then I'm going to move on to lot number 58. Here is an opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll see it says 2023. That's what it is registered now, but it's been obviously, it wasn't manufactured in 2023. But this machine has been completely undone. Van voor na agter. It has got only, since it's been totally refurbished, 1,700 hours on. That is it. New engine, transmission, hydraulic pumps, diff overhaul, final drives, tandems, the brakes, articulation, front axle, frame, all the cylinders are new wiring, hydraulic valves resprayed, re-registered as a complete build, ladies and gentlemen. It's standing in Hartswater. This machine, I guarantee. And I am commissioned over here and I can start the bidding at 650,000, 675, 700,000 rand on bid. At 700 now, to 700 on bid now, I'll take 725 on a 140G, which I guarantee. Ek gee jou geld terug. Klaar. No questions asked. Righto. At 700 now to 700,000, now to 725, now to 725. At 725 at 750. At 750 now to 750. At 775. At 775 on bid now to thank you. At 775 now to 775. At 775 now to 775. Is sommer klaar teen 775,000. Mense drie ons by die helfte van sy waarde. At 775,000 now I'm asking 800. At 775,000 rand. Are we all done? I say once again. At 800,000 naira, 800,000 rand, 800. At 800 now. At 800 naira, 800,000 rand. At 800,000 now, but now 800 now, take 825. At 800 now. At 800. At 825. At 825 at 825 at 825 at 825. At 825 at 825 at 825 at 825. Is almal klaar? Are we all done? No more. No one more. Man, ek gee julle kans. I'll take 810. Yep. 850. At 850 on bid. I'll take 860 now. 850. Is almal klaar? Teen 850,000 rand. Ek gaan try. At 850,000 first time. second time, third time. Merk net vir my STC. Ek gaan so vinnig as moontlik terugkom daar, gaan my arms afgeklei om hom deur te kry. Baie number 5034. Right, ladies and gentlemen, lot number 59. Daai sorte scrubber daar. There is no VAT on this item. Sorte scrubber. En ek sal julle begin hierso op 100,000 rand. Nie 'n sent onder nie. I'll start you at 100,000 rand. Manne, julle weet as verniet. Die diamonds gaan weer regkom, manne. Julle moet net vertrou. Julle moet vertrou. Right, let's move on. Hy rolstof met sy frame daar, dan begin julle met daarop. 5,000 rand, 5,000 op die rolstof. Hy staan op die Delport so. Also no VAT, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to lot number 61. Ook op Delport so, maak julle my weer af 5,000 rand. Ek gaan vinniger vir lot 62, ook op Delport so, geen BTW nie. Hy 5 tapbins daar, vir al 5 saam, maak julle my 5,000 rand. 5,000 rand vir al 5 saam. Right, lot 63, roll screen met drive shafts en solid rubber wheels, daar sy dames en here, ook op Delport so, en dan begin hulle met daar op 20,000 rand. Lot 64 dan, 16 voet pan suikerbox, sonder rolstof, dan begin hulle met daar op 10,000 rand. Bekom net STC daar. Hy te manne gaan vinnig deur hier goed, Furukawa FL270, daar sy dames en here. Engine has been redone, transmission needs to be redone. There we go, hy staan ook op Delport so. En as julle my hierso kan begin op 80,000 rand, dan gaan ek aan. 80,000 to start. Hi te manne, kom ons gaan aan lot 66 then. John Deere 210 diesel trailer conversion, is a non-runner, engine block and some parts are included. Dan begin hulle met daar op 3,000 rand. 3,000. 3,000. At 3,000 out of 3,000, now I'm asking 3,5 now to 3,000. At 3,000 out of 3,000, I'm bid now to 3,000, I'm bid a 3. No more than 3,000. Ek merk om net STC sir by 706. Lot number 67, ook op Delport Hoop. There's no VAT on this item either. 14-foot pan without soaker box with 2xSK63 gearboxes. There's no motors. En dan begin julle met daar op 10,000 rand. 10,000. 10,000 guys. Sorry Christiana. Sorry, verskoning. At 10,000 rand, het ek 10,000, I'm bid now on the floor. At 10,000, I'll take 12. At 10,000 out of 10,000 rand, het ek 10,000, I'm bid. At 10,000 out of 10,000 rand, het ek 10,000, I'm bid. Is somewhat klaar teen 10,000 rand. No more. Going. Gone. Sold STC by number 703. Hy manne, kyk mooi, nou weet hy weer, hy staan hier in Kimberley National. Hier is ons 'n lekker ene. 170 by 80 by 74. Ladies and gentlemen, begin julle maar hier met R5,000. R5,000 to start. Op die safe. 5,000 to start. No takers on the safe. We move on to lot number 69. Hy staan in Delport's Hoop. No vet. 4x4 Jeep. With diffs and gearbox. No engine. Hy's 'n lekker projek. Hy begin julle my daar met 3,000 op hom. 3,000. Op 'n lekker ding. 2,000. Kom ons los hom. Lot number 70. Staan hier op Kimberley. 2 centrifugal pumps. Daar sy dames en here. And you start me at 10,000 guys. Ek gaan nie onder R10,000 begin nie. Right, dan dames en here, we move on to lot 71. Transop KR300 transformer welder. Daar sê dames en here, dan begin julle my daar wat met hom. R2,000. R1,000 on the welder. At 1,000 I'm bid now that R1,000 het ek nou al sê 1,2. At 1,000 now 1,000 op die welder now 1,000 I'm bid now R1,000. At R1,000 now 1,000 I'm bid now R1,000. Is somewhat klaar teen R1,000. No more. Going. Gone. Sold. Dankie sir. By 703. Right, daai impact rollers daar, die hele lot van hulle daar, dames en here, en dan maak julle my daar R1,000. R1,000 to start for all the impact rollers. Kom aan, julle weet julle gaan hulle nodig hê. 1,000. Ek gaan aanskuif dan. Wat? Okay. Hi, dames en here, lot number 73, brick plant for parts and scrap, daar sê, en dan maak julle my daar so vir hom met R2,000. R2,000 for all the scrap. R2,000. R2,000. Brick plant for parts, daar sê, 2,000. 1,000. Het R1,000 R1,000 het ek R1,000 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 R1,000. Het R1,000 R1,000 almal klaar teen R1,000. No more. Going, gone by 709 STC. Right, that sand auger daar, dames en here. Sand auger, daar sê, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll start the bidding over here at 10. Less, R10,000. Lot 74. I'll go on to lot 75 then. Righto, that WG 7.5 kilowatt motor and pump, it's in working condition. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, I'll start the bidding here also at R10,000 and not a cent under. Ek gaan nie onder 10,000 begin nie. I'll move on to lot number 76 then. Geared up 5.5 kilowatt motor and pump working condition. And I'll start the bidding over here at R7,000. 4,000 rand, I'm bidding out of 4,000 rand, het ek er 4,000 out of 4,000 rand, er 4. Allemaal klaar teen 4,000. Ek gaan hom net heeltemal los, ek is baie ver daar. Sorry. Lot 77 then. High cyclone, centrifugal cyclone, ladies and gentlemen, you start me bidding at 5,000. Let's move on to lot 78 then. Fencing poles and droppers, daar's ons die hele lot van hulle. Jy daar op 1,000 rand, 1,000 rand. At 1,000, I'm bidding down the back there, 1,000 I want to. Waar's ek nou? $1,000 out of 1,000, I'm bidding out of 1,000 out of 1,000 rand attack. At 1,000 out of 1,250, out of 1,250, out of 1,250. At 1,250 now, 1/2. At 1,005 now, 1,005. At 1,500 now, but now 1,500, out of 1,500, out of 1,500. At 1,500 rand klaar. Teen 1,500 rand. No more. Kom ons los hom aan voor. Lot 79. Industrial light fixtures wat daar. Manne, dan maak jy my wat 3,000 rand op hulle. 3,000. 2,000. 2,000 op die ligte. Kom ons los hulle, dames en here, ek het nog 3 lotte. Hy is nie op julle catalogs en goed nie. More for our online guys, I apologize, he was baie laat inskrywings. So wat ek sal doen is hierso, yes, my guarantee, any bids I get for any of these things, jy kan be, as hy word bekragtig, dan garandeer vir jou net dat ek vir jou 7 dae tyd gee, om hom eers te gaan kyk. As jy nie tevrede is nie, kanselleer ek die transaksie. Lot number 80. Cat 962G, runner, broken window and lights, 2004 model. Right, dames and here. Where can I start the bidding over here? I'll start the bidding at 180,000 rand. 62G. I'll start at 180,000 rand. Waar staan hulle skala? Bergwil manne. Ek is jammer baie laat inskrywings. Let's move on to lot 81 then. 928 cat loader, also in Bergwil. Steering oil and diff oil mixing. It's a runner, ladies and gentlemen. I'll start the bidding over here at 150,000. 150,000. Right, dames en here, baie laat uit nou eers hierso ingekom en goed, so, maar ek sit hom maar net op vir dit wat werd is. Bullpair Travel Double Axle like. Daar kan jy sien, dis 'n lekker groot trailer. And if you are interested, I'll start the bidding at 60,000. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes 60,000 on bid. Weet nie, ek weet ook nie. At 60,000 out of 60,000 rand out of 60,000, dis 'n baie mooi trailer. Dit kan ek net vir julle sê, hy is soos 'n nuut. At 60,000 on bid, now 60, I'll take 65, now 60,000 on bid. At 60,000 rand, now 60,000, now 60, now 60. At 60,000 rand, now 60,000 on bid, now almal klaar. Teen 60,000 rand, now 60,000, no more than 60,000 rand. All done. Going. Gaan, ek gaan om STC, ons kom dadelik terug na jou na die tyd, op Meerkat by 5006. Hi, dames en here, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our auction today. Thank you very much for coming. Asseblief op pad uit, gryp nog 'n lekker borsbroodjie of ietsie daar. Ons waardeer dit baie, kyk uit vir ons groot veiling volgende week. Daar is van meele en daar's 'n klomp karre, nuwe raggetrekkers, implemente. Kyk uit vir daai veiling op die Broker website en baie dankie weer eens for all your ondersteuning vandag. Baie dankie. Lekker dag.